T-Name in this bitch. Loyal Empire, nigga. Ellie shit, nigga. Shit out of Guantanamo. They call me T-Name, I came from the west. Shining every day with my niggas, I'm the best. You mess with my game, they will shoot you on your chest. Yes, you stress. Rap is my dream, yeah, I started from the street. Writing 16 bars, pulling these shit. I came for nothing, now I keep it 100. Wood ke maslar, arato ante Ahmed. Get on me Muhammad, Suno Eni Zemet. Anten Belu Arada, a nigga Alku Warada, Tankeratas Bayemida, Esti Idling Berada, but nothing that good. I'm the coolest on the block, and I'm shooting by the Glock. Man, fuck all the cops, let me just run my rap. Welcome to the Rumble, boys in the jungle. You gotta be humble, I'm ready for the hustle. Album dropping, now they biffing. Working late night, and I always do right. And the motherfucking fight, so I gotta keep it tight. Glock on me, Glock on me, Glock on me. They wanna put me in the coop, but they can't, cause I'm rolling with the troop. I be Gucci down, I'm the nigga running town. Shout out to the gang, cause they gave me everything. Let the wolves see this skinny gang. I might pull up, I might bang, me the beat, then I slang, I'm a loyal gang. Got the girls in the hood, with my squad looking good. Yada da this mood, all you understood. Got it out of feelings, got it out of winnings. That made it so much, that the bigger I tell my beat too but I'm good boy, music out is my money, you baller, you trap it. Put it right on your block, my champ produced it. T-Name. Boy, you know who the fuck it is, man. From Loyal Empire, nigga. Straight out of Gambia.